deep down. Yeah, I know I've heard that to let your feelings show is the only